we're going to go through another means of determining the number of moles of a sample, and that's using the standard molar volume of a gas at STP. Under STP conditions, every gas has exactly the same molar volume, and that value is 22.414. Don't have to memorize this. It's given on your conversion sheet, but if you do a number of problems, you'll probably accidentally memorize this. STP are conditions where the temperature is 0 degrees C and the pressure is exactly 1 atmosphere. So if we're at STP, we can very easily calculate the moles of gas by measuring the volume. So essentially we're going to use this value, 22.414 liters, to convert back and forth between moles and volume. So here are the two conversion factors we can write. 22.414 liters is equivalent to a mole, and a mole is equivalent to 22.414 liters. The conversion factor we use depends upon the individual problem. In this problem, we're given units of moles, so we want to make sure moles is in the denominator. We write down our calculator answer, worry about sig figs, and we have our final result. Note, this is true for any gas. If we had 0.420 moles of any gas, it's still going to occupy 9.41 liters. In this problem, we want to convert liters to moles. We can use the same conversion factor. In this case, we have 22.414 liters in the denominator, so that units of liters cancel and units of moles survive. This indicates division. So we write down our calculator answer. We see we're going to be limited to 2 sig figs by this measured number, and we write our final answer. Note, some versions of the notes have the wrong sig figs indicated here. Here we're asked to calculate the volume of a certain mass of gas at STP. So we're going to have to go from grams to moles, and then moles to liters. Okay, this means we're going to need 2 conversion factors. The formula weight and 22.414 liters is equivalent to a mole of gas at STP. The formula weight of methane is easily calculated to be 16.05 grams per mole, not shown here. We can check our setup. Our conversion factors are set up such that grams cancel, moles cancel, and we have our final answer expressed in volume as we desire. We write down our calculator answer and check our sig figs. We see that we're limited to 3 sig figs, so we can write down our final answer as 40.5 liters.